Hello, my name's Richard Savage. I'm the very privileged recipient of the Australian Water Association Water Professional of the Year Award for 2018 for Queensland. And I'm here on the banks of the Cooma River to tell you a little bit about my water story. As a water professional, we represent our industry. We upholding standards and continually setting the benchmark for excellence. I think there's another element to all of this, and that is to establish social and environmental relevance to all that we do. I often tell my team that the end of every pipe is a person, and at the start of every pipe is an environment. And if we establish and clear up that context in our mind, I think what we provide to society will be well worth having. Leadership means different things to different people. It's about inspiring, about innovating, about being accountable, about being there when you're needed. And I think the Australian Water Association has challenged all of us in that regard to adopt and pursue these agendas of social awareness, diversity, inclusion, cultural heritage, amongst others. Really, if we get that right, the story of water will be an easy one to tell. The mentorship program is one that the Australian Water Association can be very proud of, and I think I've been enormously privileged to deal with three incredibly talented women in my time on the program. I'm there as the more experienced engineer, but can absolutely say without fear of contradiction that I've gained enormously out of the process. And I think that's it. We're not an industry that's prone to introspection. We give all of our time every day to our clients, to communities, to challenges out there. And certainly mentorship is part of that, and I hope that I'll be able to contribute to that program long into the future. So volunteering is not everyone's cup of tea, and I understand that, but for me it's always resonated in that it has given me a chance to do something outside of the four corners of my working world, to give of my time, ideas and energy to other initiatives. I've served on the board of the Alliance of Water Stewardship Asia Pacific for 3 years and worked with an amazing team from Melbourne who've driven that agenda very significantly through Southeast Asia and increasingly here in Australia. So I really hope that their work pays dividends. I think collectively we've got to get the water story out there. We face some very significant challenges with environment, with climate, and with a resource that doesn't stretch to infinity as energy does. So there's lots for us to do. I've absolutely enjoyed my journey thus far and hope that I can be an inspiration for others around me for years to come.